Disneyland tonight is actually Heroes Assemble, so we're gonna be doing a lot of that, but it's also May 1st, which means that there is no more smoking, loose ice, or large strollers in the park. So I'm gonna head to Disneyland right now, go check out those smoking areas, see kind of what's changed, if anything, probably not much. And then we're gonna head to DCA so we can do Heroes Assemble. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Mr. Daps is in Seattle tonight, well, this whole weekend. So Sunday's vlog, you'll actually see kind of what he's been doing this week. So tonight's just me, but it's gonna be a lot of fun, and let's go. This is actually home to Disneyland's former smoking area. As you can see, it's kind of empty. The thing that I think is pretty interesting is that right here you'll see that there's a no smoking sign, but it is no smoking in any theme parks or downtown Disney. So, May 1st. So now that it's almost 6, we're gonna move to DCA so that we can start the event mix-in before the official event starts at 9. Looks like I am not the only person with this idea, because it looks like it's a little crowded for the special event tickets, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll go very quickly, and I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of fun. We just got into Disneyland after dark, Heroes Assemble. That's still a lot to say, I'm still trying very hard. But we just got our map, and we got, actually, inside the map, there's a scavenger hunt that S.H.I.E.L.D. has sent us on. So I'm sure that we're gonna be doing the scavenger hunt tonight, along with meet and greets, food, fun, maybe I'll fit in some rides. Honestly, who knows? But it's gonna be a really fun night, and I'm really excited to see what's gonna start. It's currently 6:30, so we've got 2.5 hours till the event officially starts, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do with my time yet. We'll figure it out.
Gets back, I said. No move.
It's now just about 7:30, so we still got about an hour and a half until the event starts. I'm actually just sat down and ate dinner because there's no exclusive food ready until about 9, and I was hungry. So maybe I'll do some fun dessert themes tonight or something, but I'm actually heading towards the DCA old smoking section right now so that you can kind of see what that looks like. So let's take a look. World of Color music ends and Marvel music begins, and I will say it's almost kind of ominous to hear Marvel music in places you don't expect, like walking through Pacific Wharf and you hear the Avengers theme. A little scary. Also kind of feel like I'm in a superhero movie. It's fine.
Monkey Town. Combined. I literally can't even get it still. It's so blurry. Wait.
Look at all these churros. Is this your photo card? You got to convince me. You want this bag on? Guys, can I don't.
It is now 12:58, which is close enough to 1 a.m. for me to call it a night. I did just meet, oh my gosh, Donald, Daisy, Mickey, Minnie. I'm gonna put pictures. I got some video of Donald and Daisy before I met them, but it was super fun. Definitely the whole event was just super exciting. I also ate some infinity churros. That was an experience that I don't know that I would do again, but I got to do it. So it was super fun, and yeah, I'm so sorry, I'm so exhausted. This video should be up probably not too long after I record this because I've been editing while I go all night. So it's been super fun, super, and I'll see you guys later.